Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for those of you who might be tired of hearing ChatGPT's responses that are limited to information prior to 2021. But don't worry, I have some good news for you. There is actually a way that you can use ChatGPT with internet access to get more up-to-date answers. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open up Google Chrome on your computer or laptop. Step 2. Go to the Settings menu by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Scroll down until you see Extensions and click on it. Step 4. In the search bar, type in Web ChatGPT, ChatGPT with Internet Access, and hit Enter. Step 5. Click on Add to Chrome and then confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension. And that's it! Now you can use ChatGPT with Internet Access for more up-to-date answers. To test it out, let's ask ChatGPT a simple prompt. Who is the current president of the USA in 2023? And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get more accurate and up-to-date answers from ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks.